In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off all notifications from Meta Business Suite. If your Meta Business Suite notifications are getting overwhelming, the good news is that it only takes a moment to clean them up. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to find the notification settings and how to turn off the alerts you no longer want to receive, so your workspace feels a lot less distracting. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and look for the Notifications section. Go ahead and click on Notifications. This is the area where Meta gathers updates about activity connected to your business account, such as messages, comments, reminders, and other alerts. If you've been seeing too many pop-ups or updates throughout the day, this is the right place to start managing them. Once you're inside the notifications area, look for the gear icon. Click on the gear icon to open your notification settings. This is where Meta Business Suite gives you control over what types of alerts you receive. The settings panel is useful because it lets you adjust notifications based on your preferences rather than having to deal with every alert by default. Now, go through the available notification options and turn off the notifications you don't want to see. Depending on your account setup, you may see different categories of alerts. Take your time here and review each option carefully so you don't accidentally turn off something important. If your goal is to stop all notifications, simply disable each notification type that is currently turned on. As you do this, it's a good idea to think about how you use Meta Business Suite day to day. For example, if you still need to monitor messages or urgent account activity, you may want to leave those on while disabling less important updates. But if you truly want a quieter experience, you can switch off everything that appears in this settings area. After making your changes, double check that the toggles reflect the setup you want. This can help you avoid confusion later if you're expecting the notifications to stop immediately. In most cases, the changes should apply right away. And that's it. That's how to turn off notifications from Meta Business Suite. Once you've adjusted these settings, you should notice a cleaner, less distracting experience while managing your business account. If needed, you can always come back to the same notifications section and use the gear icon again to change your preferences at any time.